is Professor Peter Kibas, Professor of Entrepreneurship and Management and the Dean of the School of Business and Economics at Zetech University. In the business school, which is a dynamic school compared to other schools in other universities within the region and beyond, we pride ourselves on being champions in a number of innovations and approaches. Our teaching is very friendly and down to the ground in terms of students of all abilities are given opportunity to discover themselves, discover their talents in the chosen areas of study. And our faculty help them to discover those talents and develop them and grow them so that they are able to mature in their profession. We also are in liaison with the professional bodies where when students finish their programs, they're not just going to be looking for jobs, but they carry along with them professional certificates. As a university, we have a robust team in terms of our disciplines. We have the hospitality, we have the media and journalism, we have engineering and ICT, and we have tourism. And we also are planning to be having other programs in the university that will be able to meet the needs of the graduates of high school today. Our students come at different levels in terms of sponsorship. We have the government-sponsored students, of course, at the degree level. And very soon we'll also be having those at diploma level, being sponsored by the government through the TVET program. We are working on that. In the School of Business and Economics, we have a Bachelor of Science, a Bachelor of Business Administration, BAM, BBAM. We have Bachelor of Finance and Accounting, BAF. We have Bachelor of Statistics and Economics. We also have Bachelor of Commerce. And very soon we'll be starting a master's degree, a very interesting master's degree in the near future that will be able to be hands-on, practical to assist our students, especially those who want to grow and continue into the area of academia. We also will be looking at those students who are able, graduates who will be looking forward to starting their own businesses. Because one may ask, why a university education and why Zetech for that matter? Zetech University prepares the student, the total person, the student, in terms of making them either get into paid employment. And I want to tell you the number of employers that have recruited our students here, and they're very happy with our products in terms of the type of quality of students that we produce, in terms of their learning and the skills they take to the workplace. Some of the employers include the government, central government, the national government. We also have the county government. And we also have the corporate sector, which has also taken many of our students. And I want to tell you that our graduates are hot cakes in the world out there because of the quality, because of the maturity, and because these students are self-starters in terms of being able to fit in any organization. We say you give us boys, we make them men, this university, men of integrity with knowledge and skills. You give us girls and we make them ladies of integrity and ladies with skills and knowledge to go and perform.